This video will walk you through how to update your individual information as well as manage visitors. Once you have downloaded the VisitForm app to your particular device, this is the screen that you will see. On the left-hand side, you will see all of the information listed, and in the body of the app, you will see the icons, and it is your preference how you would like to access your information. Your current visitor information, as well as your identification for your household, has been imported into the software. However, it is likely that many updates are necessary. To begin with, let's go to the left-hand side and click on My Info. Please verify that your information, your name is correct, as well as your address. And it is here that it is critical that you update phone numbers and any email. So in your cell phone, you can certainly update that, and on the right-hand side, you would hit save. It's fairly intuitive. It will say, are you sure? You hit yes, and it will update the cell phone. If you have an additional cell phone or home phone, a landline, please make sure that you enter it at this point as well. And again, please make sure that your email address is correct as shown. And again, you would hit save. Data update, are you sure? You would hit yes, and then you are set with your information. The only other feature that we will be using in this particular segment is that you will notice at the upper top taskbar, you will see a bell. Once you click on the bell, this is for notification settings. This is where you can click or unclick how you would like to be notified. So for any visits, if you would like to be notified by text, email, or via the app, this is where you would put in that designation. And certainly for visitors, vendor packages, turn away. Now we are not using all of these features at our initial rollout, but you may want to go ahead and put in some of the notifications. Once you are comfortable with all of the settings that you have designated, you can hit save at the bottom right. You are going to get a notification that yes, settings have been changed successfully. Once you are satisfied with that, let's go back to the main menu by hitting start, and we will then take a look at the visitors. Again, your current visitor list has been uploaded, so you want to perhaps take a look at this, make sure that these are visitors that you still want to have entry for. You can take a look at your visitors by clicking on the particular name, and you will see have you designated them as a permanent visitor, as a temporary visitor, and at the bottom you can hit save, or you can hit a QR code access, and we will address that in a moment. And let's go back to our start menu, our visitors, and let's say you want to add a new visitor. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, you will see a blue circle with a plus sign. That will be to add a new visitor. And at that point, it's fairly intuitive. You can just start typing in the name of your visitor, and you can say category is going to be your visitor, relationship, if you want to put that in or not, does not matter. You don't necessarily need to put any additional information, but you would want to scroll down and hit the green save bar. It will then say, yes, this information has been saved, gives you a nice check. And then at the bottom of the screen, you will see a share or copy link. To expedite the process of entry of your visitor, we strongly recommend that you use this QR code. This is a great way to send notification to your friends, family, visitors, vendors to expedite the entry. What you would do is that if you hit, for instance, the share, you are able to share this QR code with whatever you are comfortable with. You can do it either through messages or you can do it through email. So I am going to go ahead and send Debbie my QR code. And in this, VisitForm.com would have a QR code that she can open. And when she gets to the gatehouse, all she would need to do on her mobile device is show that QR code. It will be scanned by the attendant at the gatehouse and immediately give entrance. They will not have to call you. So once I share that with Debbie, that is done. She now has all of that information to expedite her visit.